So last week we were doing HCF. HCF means the highest common factor. And in those sums, we have to use only prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So many of you were able to do it. Maybe you were helped by your parents. Good. So, in this week also, we are going to use the same prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. But we are going to do LCM. Previously, highest common factor means between two numbers, the highest number or the biggest number that will go into both the numbers. Now, this week we are going to do lowest common multiple, means two numbers are given and we have to find a certain number that both the numbers go into it. Okay? So let me show you an example. Let me do this same numbers, one HCF only and the other LCM, and see the difference. In HCF we have to do single numbers, one number at a time. First one number, all the prime factors, other number, all the prime factors. Then we have to circle the common factors or prime factors and then multiply. In LCM, we have to divide both the numbers. Okay, let me show you. For example, 8 and 12. 8 and 12. So one I'm going to find HCF and the other I'm going to find LCM, which we are going to do this week. It means the lowest common multiple. Okay, so let's see the difference. In HCF, we have to find the prime factors. 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 1s. Prime factors 12, 2 6, 2 3s, 3 1s. Okay, I've done half word, I've found the prime factor. Now let's move on to LCM. In LCM, we have to put both the numbers together and we must separate the numbers by a comma. So we write both the numbers together, 8, 12. Okay, these are two different numbers, so the comma separates these two different numbers. And when we divide, we have to make sure that the number we put here divides these two. Okay, so 2 will go into both the numbers. Okay, 2 goes into 8 how many times? 2 4s. It's like bringing these together and doing it over here in division, there both at the same time. Okay, 2 4s, 2 goes into 12 how many times? 2 6. We put another line. Again, this number goes 2. 2 2s, 4 2 3s, 6. Remember to put this comma. If you don't put this comma, you'll have 46, you'll have 23, you'll have 812. So please make sure that the comma is there. So now we have 2 and 3. So which numbers go into 2 and 3? No numbers, no? But now, which number is going to be 2? 2, because 2 is a prime number. 2, 1s are 2. And will 2 go into 3? No. So what should we do? Bring 3 down. Bring 3 down. Now which number is going to 3? Now leave 1. Once you get 1 means you have finished. Which number is going to 3? 3. 3, 1. So this is the way how we find HCF by prime factors, single numbers, and LCM, double numbers. Okay? In HCF, now we write the prime factors. 8 equals 2 into 2 into 2, and 12 equals 2 into 2 into 3. Circle the common numbers. Circle the common numbers. So we bring 2 into 2 equals 4. Now here it's just different. Whatever prime factors you use here, whatever numbers are here, we have to bring it down. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we have to multiply all these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Again, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Or we can cut them down. For example, 2 and 2, 3 and 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Now, the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24, which means that both these numbers should go, when multiplied, should go into 24. 8 goes in 24, 3 times. 12 goes in 24, 2 times. So I hope you are understanding. So let's do some numbers now. The difference, I've already shown you, the difference between HCF and LCM. HCM means highest common factor. LCM means lowest common multiple. But before we do more sums, let me show you what both of them means. Okay? So in one we got HCF 4, in the other we got LCM 24. Now let me do it in a different way, only factor. So 8, 12. Which are the, this is HCF, okay? Which are the numbers that will go into 8 and 12? 1, 2, 4, 8. 1 8s are, 2 4s are, 1 12s are, 2 6s are, 3 4s are, 6 and 8. Now, this is HCF style. I'm just showing you as an example what they mean, because it means their highest common factor and the other one lowest common multiple. Now 8 and 12. Over here, multiple means multiplication, tables. 8 times 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 40. 8 6 are 48, 8 7 are 56. Now let me do 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. So now here at HCF we circle the common numbers 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 4 and 4. Now over here this should not be 8, it should be 12. Here the highest number that has been circled is 4. So the HCF will be 4. And here we have done multiplications. So let's see, let's circle the common numbers 8, 12, 16, 24, 24, 24. So this will be the lowest. There may be some more numbers there, but this is the lowest number that these two numbers will go. So it's known as the lowest common multiple. So the LCM will be 24, which we have done in the earlier sum. Now this is just an explanation as to show you about HCF and LCM. Now let's get back to the how we should do the sum. So we have to use only prime numbers. Let's start with 4 and 6. Find the LCM of 4 and 6. Find the LCM of 10 and 20. Find the LCM of 6 and 8. Okay? So what should we do? We must put both the numbers together. 4, 6. Begin. Which number will go? Just look at this number. Okay, which number will go into 4? 2. 2 goes into 4 how many times? 2 2s. Will 2 go into 6? You must try. You should not just bring it down. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now, just look at this first number. Which number will go into 2? 2. 2 1s are. Now we are finished. Will 2 go into 3? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. No, it won't go. So, you bring that down. It must go fully. It must be divisible fully. So, which number is this? Is it 30 or 1 and 3? 1 and 3. So, let's not look at 1. We have finished that. 3. Which number will go in 3? 3. 1. Now, we have finished our sum. So, bring all these numbers down. 2 into 2 into 3. What is the next step? We must multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and that 12 is your LCM. 4 goes into 12 times, 3 times. 6 goes into 12 times, 2 times. So we say, we know now that 4 and 6 will go into 12, and 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. Let's try the other one. 10, 20. Draw a line. Which number will go? Yes, as you look, 5 will go. We can put 5. 5 will go to 10 how many times? 2 times. 5 will 5 go to 20? Yes, 4 times. 2 and 4. Just look at 2 only. 2 will go into 2 how many times? 1. Will 2 go into 4? Yes, 2 2s. And will this, is this 1 and 2 or 12? It's 1 and 2. Okay? How many, which number will go into? 2. 2, 1. Now when you write it down, put the small numbers first. 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5. So let's multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay? Or 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Got that? So the LCM of 10 and 20 is 20. 10 2s are 20, 1s are 20. Let's do 6 and 8. 6, 8. Which number will go into 6? When you look at 6. Which number? 2. Okay. 2 goes into 6 how many times? 3 times. Will 2 go into 8? Yes. How many times? 4 times. Which number will go into 3? 3, 1. Try and look at the first number and then try and see if that number goes into the second number. Will 3 go into 4? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. No. So what should we do? Bring that down. 4. Which number will go into 4? 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now what should we do? We must write the prime factors here. Smaller numbers first. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. What is the next step? Multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Or you can cut it down. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 6 are 24. And then we can multiply. So it's quite easy. Okay? But you have to make sure that the number you put here should go into both the numbers. Don't just bring it down. You must try and see if it is divisible by 2, or 3, or 4, or 5. Not 4, 5. So later on you will be getting your self-assessment test. And you know what to do. I've been telling you from the beginning only that you must copy all the sums into your exercise books. Do it then, and then open your assessment, and then tick the correct option. Okay? So here are the sums. 2 more sums. Ready? So what should we do? We must write both the numbers in one line. 12 and 16. Put a comma separating those numbers. Okay, which number will go to 12? 2. 2, 6 are 12. Will 2 go into 16? Yes. How many times? 8 times. Which number will go into 6? 2. 2 3s are 6. Will 2 go into 8? Yes. 2 4s are 8. Look at this number 3 only. Which number will go into 3? 3 1s are. Will 3 go into 4? No. What should we do? Very good. Bring it down. Now, which prime number will go into 4? Is it 14 or 4? Only 4. So 2. 2 2s are. Which prime number will go into 2? 2 1s are. So now, what is the next step? Bring all these numbers here. Small numbers first. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay? So what? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 3. You may not know, you have to use a rough call. So there is another way of doing it. We divide the numbers. Okay? Half and half. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Write it down. Multiply these two numbers. 2 3s are 6. Now you know your 6 times table, so 8 times table. 6 8s are 48. That's how you shrink the numbers and then do it part by part. Again, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 2 3s are 6. Then you multiply these to 8 6s are 48. Now let me show you about 30 and 40 an easy way. It's like magic. Okay. So first we have to find the prime numbers. Which number will go? Yes. You can use 2, you can use 3, you can use 5. Let's use the bigger number first. Which number? 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 8s are 40. Which number will go to 6? 2. 2 3s are 2 4s are. Which number is going to 3? Is it 34 or 3 and 4? 3 and 4. Okay. 3 1s are. 3 doesn't go to 4, so bring down 4. 2 2 2s are. Which number is going to 2? 2 1s are. Keep doing till you get 1. Okay? So we have to bring down all these patterns down here. And remember to put the smaller ones. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now let's see if we can multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are, we'll have to put the rough one. 24 5s. 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. Takes long time. So what you do is, if there is a 5 and a 2, put 5 and 2 together. Okay? 5 and 2 together. Then multiply the next 3 numbers. So we have 3, 2 and 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. We write 12 here. Then we multiply, after that, we multiply these numbers. 2 5s are 10. We won't put 10, we only put 0. Did we get the same answer? Yes. So easy, no? Again, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Divide them. First put 5 and 2 together. Then multiply the other numbers. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12, 2 5 are 10, from 10. Don't write both the numbers 1, 0, 10. No, only the 0. Okay? So, remember very carefully, look at the video again. Some of you are not watching the video. Please, you must watch the video for the explanation. Okay? So, let me do 3 sums. These multiplication. Ready? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, one more. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, that's all. Ready? Now let's do the short one. What? First look at the numbers. See a 5 and a 2. Yes, let's put 5 and 2 together. Okay? Leave that now. First multiply the others. 2, 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. Right? 18. Again, 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. Now multiply the next one. 5 2s are 10. Okay? So what in 10 what should you put only? 0. So when you multiply this you get 1, 18. Otherwise it will be 2 are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36 into 5. That's going to take a long time. So this is the shorter way. Again, now let's shorten this. Let's cut into 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Now multiply these two. 4 9s are 36. Otherwise 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. You may know that. So let's do this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. We know that. But you can divide the numbers into two groups. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6. And then not 86, but multiply these two numbers. 8 6s are 42. So I have shown you of multiplying the short way. But remember children, our topic for today was LCM, which means the lowest common multiple. And LCM, we have to use prime numbers. And we have to put both the numbers together and put a number outside and check to see if that number goes into both the numbers. Don't bring it down just like that. First check. If it doesn't go, then you bring the other number down. Okay, dear children? So I hope you have learned how to find LCM, a lowest common multiple. Later on, this LCM will be there for a long time because we have to do addition, subtraction of fractions. And during that time, we need LCM. So practice a lot. Tomorrow also I'll give you some more. Okay? So bye. See you for now. See you in the next class.